Hey, fellow creators! Welcome back to my channel. If you're struggling to get views on your YouTube shorts, you're not alone. But fear not, I've got some secrets to share that will skyrocket your shorts views. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Right there, hit that red button. First step, thumbnails matter a lot. Your thumbnail is like the cover of a book. It needs to be eye-catching, use bright colors, bold fonts, and images that tease what's inside. And remember, less is more. Keep it simple and intriguing. Hashtags and keywords are your best friends. Research trending topics related to your shorts. Use relevant hashtags in your video description and title. This helps your content appear in more searches. Lastly, consistency matters. Post shorts regularly, maybe even daily. The YouTube Shorts algorithm rewards consistent creators. Plus, it keeps your audience coming back for more. Remember, it's not just about the views, it's about building a community. So go create, engage, and have fun. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. Until next time, keep creating.